Welcome to our roundup of the best home security systems of 2026. Dependable tools, cameras, and sensors designed to help protect your home, deter intruders, and give you peace of mind whether you're home or away. A good security setup can monitor entrances, capture real-time video, alert you to unusual activity, and even connect with other smart home devices for seamless protection. Today's systems range from simple door alarms to advanced outdoor cameras with motion detection and wireless connectivity. We've selected some of the top options based on ease of use, effectiveness, features, value, and overall reliability. Let's take a closer look at what makes each system stand out. Starting with the Voxin door alarms, this entry-level option is a practical choice for basic home security, especially for monitoring doors, windows, and smaller entry points. These compact alarms sound a loud alert when a door or window is opened unexpectedly, helping deter potential intruders and letting you know right away when a point of access has been breached. They're typically battery-powered and easy to install with adhesive strips, making them a convenient choice for renters, dorm rooms, or anyone who wants a simple alarm without wiring or app integration. With multiple alarm tones and adjustable sensitivity settings, you can tailor alerts to your space, and the lightweight build makes them easy to reposition as needed. Some versions also include low battery indicators and tamper resistance, giving you better long-term reliability and enhanced peace of mind for everyday home or apartment monitoring. Next up is the Arlo security camera, a more advanced solution with video monitoring at its core. Known for strong image quality and robust wireless connectivity, this camera lets you keep an eye on key areas around your home from your phone or other connected devices. Many Arlo cameras offer high-definition video, night vision, motion detection alerts, and cloud storage options so you can review footage after the fact. The wireless setup and flexible placement make it a versatile choice for indoor or outdoor use, helping you track activity in real time or review clips later. Its easy setup and integration with smart home ecosystems mean you can add it to existing systems without hassle, and two-way audio lets you communicate through the camera if needed. Advanced motion zones and customizable alert settings help reduce false notifications, which is especially helpful if you have pets or live in a busy area. Moving on to the Ring Indoor Cam, this model focuses on interior surveillance with crisp video and easy integration into larger smart home ecosystems. Designed for inside the home, it captures real-time video, sends alerts when motion is detected, and allows you to stream footage directly to your smartphone. Ring's ecosystem means you can pair this camera with other Ring devices like doorbells or outdoor cameras, creating coordinated coverage across your property. With two-way audio, night vision, and easy setup, it's a dependable choice for monitoring entryways, living spaces, or baby rooms with clarity and convenience. Additional cloud subscription options and customizable motion zones further enhance its usefulness, giving you more control over what you monitor and when. The compact, discreet design also makes it easy to place on shelves, tables, or mantles without being obtrusive in your living space. Stepping up in audible deterrent and alerting is the TechNet door alarm system, a more robust take on contact-based security. These alarms typically offer louder sirens, improved sensitivity, and more durable construction for higher traffic doors and windows throughout your home. They're still easy to install without wiring, but they often include additional features like adjustable volume settings or combined motion sensors for enhanced perimeter protection. With bright LED indicators and extended battery life, these units are more noticeable and harder to ignore than basic alarms. Some models even include low battery warnings and dual sensor modes, allowing you to cover both door movement and vibration detection for extra responsiveness. TechNet's approach blends simplicity with more noticeable alerting power, making it a better fit for users who want more presence and responsiveness from their basic alarm setup. Claiming the top spot for overall effectiveness and advanced features is the Ring Outdoor Cam. This model delivers strong performance with high-definition video, dependable motion detection, and rugged, weather-resistant construction built to withstand the elements. Outdoor cams like this one provide broader coverage of your property, helping you monitor driveways, front porches, backyards, and other key areas with clarity and convenience. With features like customizable motion zones, two-way audio, night vision, and easy smartphone access, it gives you a comprehensive view of what's happening outside your home. Ring's app integration and compatibility with other smart home devices also make it easy to expand your security setup over time, and built-in privacy features help you control exactly when and how your camera records. All of these home security systems serve different needs and levels of protection. The Voxin door alarms and TechNet door alarms offer simple yet effective entry point alerting, ideal for renters or basic perimeter monitoring. The Arlo security camera and Ring indoor cam bring video surveillance with smart alerts and flexible placement, and the Ring outdoor cam stands out with strong overall performance, weather-resistant design, and advanced monitoring features. That wraps up our list of the best home security systems of 2026, from entry-level alarms to powerful outdoor cameras built for real-time protection. If you're upgrading your home security, preparing for travel, or simply looking for tools to help make your space safer, there's a dependable option here for you. Let us know in the comments which system you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more home tech reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and make your home smarter and more secure with the right system this year.